Hello everyone, myself Vikrant Chandan Shibe, working as an assistant professor in Department of Botany, ACS Jawahar College. So today we are discussing about introduction to prokaryotic ribosomes. Which starts with what is ribosomes. Ribosomes are the nucleoproteins in nature, that is, they composed of RNA plus protein. The assembly of ribosome occurs in nucleolus and transported to cytoplasm. But in case of bacteria, the nucleolus and nucleus thing is different. That is, this system is only over to eukaryotic system because bacteria lack the nucleus. So that's why there is no nucleolus. The assembly and packaging of ribosome takes place in cytoplasm only in case of prokaryotic system. In cytoplasm, ribosomes are involved in translation process. A translation process is to be called as protein synthesis. The protein is a biomolecules which synthesized by or the polymers of different kinds of amino acids. There are total 22 amino acids which is to be incorporated by a ribosome machinery to form a polypeptide chain that is called as proteins. Let's see the structure of ribosomes. The structure of ribosomes is divided into 50S and 30S, and whole complex is to be called as 70S types. Okay, in case of prokaryotic system, the ribosome is the 70S types, and in case of eukaryotic system, the ribosome is the 80S types. Okay, so the 70S type is further divided into 50S subunits and the 30S subunits. Okay, the 50S subunits is further divided into 5S rRNA and 23S rRNA. Okay, where the 30S subunits is further divided into 16S rRNA. Each subunits, that is the 23S rRNA and the 16S rRNA, have the different functions. That is, during the translation process, the 23S rRNA have the important role. It has the peptidyl transferase activity, by means it involves in peptide bond synthesis process, while the 16S rRNA mainly participate in joining the Shine-Dalgano sequences. That is, it is totally complementary sequences to the 16S rRNA. Okay. Next, prokaryotic ribosomes. The prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S types. The structures divided to large subunits 50S and small subunits 30S. The large subunit 50S further divided into 5S rRNA and 23S rRNA, where the small subunits 30S further divided into 16S rRNA. The 16S rRNA is complementary to Shine-Dalgano sequence present in almost every prokaryotic mRNA. Next, different sites on ribosomes. A large subunits have the different sites, that is A sites, P sites and E sites. A sites, that is called as amino acid entry sites. P sites is called peptide exit site. E site is called as tRNA exit sites. Okay, so the large subunit have these three sites where the translation process is carried very fastly and smoothly. These are the references. Thank you.